Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to send automatic messages to multiple Instagram accounts using your keyword file. This is the main interface of MKT Insta software. Step 1. Select the scan data. Select account by keywords. In the list of keyword, fill each line one keyword. Next, install a few parameters. Select the list of accounts used to scan. Click Start to start scanning accounts with keywords. The software will automatically log into the selected accounts. The notice in the Scan Account Information board. Copy the username of the scanning accounts. Step 2. Select Message Management. Select Send Message. At the Messaging by Usering list, paste the entire username. Install a few more configuration settings depending on the needs of use. Text messages in Spin. The software will randomly select one of the content of the message sent to the account. Select the account list for sending messages. Configure Send Message. Select Start to start the program. The software automatically finds the heart name users and automatically sends a message according to the prepared form. If you want to experience this software right away, just click the link in the description or inbox me directly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get notified about my latest videos.